Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Mase. So in this video, we'll be show you how to configuration DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer easily and step by step. All process I will explain. And if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more updates and watch video till end now. So let's start this video. Okay. So finally DHCP server configuration is successfully, so it will be check message transfer is successfully or not. So let's message I will send PC1 to laptop 1. So you can see now, okay, successfully transfer message, and another one laptop 2 to laptop 0. So you can see successfully message. So my DHCP server is successfully configuration, and I will another one PC1 to PC2. So you can see now this is successfully transfer message, And so finally DHCP server configuration is successfully configured. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Maseng, and if you any queries, so write in comment box and I will answer. And so thanks for watching this video.